Okay, Katie, we're back again, and we are talking about my favorite part of Koala, the playground. This is so much fun. There are so many ways that you can use the playground. A lot of people will use it as a reward. So maybe at the end of class, if everyone's done really well, they can just go and play in playground, in whatever playground you've chosen. You can absolutely use it as a lesson area. You can use it as an extension for your lessons. You can create things that go right along with the curriculum as well. All right, so we're going to go down to the bottom of our screen and you'll see this cute little squirrel, and the squirrel it represents the playground. So we're going to click on opening the playground. All right, here we are. We're in the playground and I'm giving you kind of a widescreen view. And if you notice, we have two little avatars that are floating in.
Hold your right mouse button and drag your mouse to pan around the view. Left click with your mouse on a point to walk directly there, or use your computer arrow keys to walk around. Hold the shift bar to walk more quickly, or press the space bar to jump. By default, when you enter Playground, you are looking at the top-down view. You can see the teacher and student avatars walking around below you. But often it's easier to navigate in first-person view instead. Click on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you're looking through the eyes of your avatar. You can still navigate using the same arrow keys as before, but this time you feel more immersed in the world as if you are the character walking around. This is often a lot easier when navigating and doing activities. If you want to return to the top-down view, click on the eye icon again to go back. Now we are looking down at the playground from above.
Now, Katie is an excellent student, but if she's starting to get bored because I'm going on and on and on, she might run off. But I want her to focus in on what the lesson is. Well, that's when you come down here. This third icon is so helpful. You click on the focus tool, then you bring it to wherever it is that you want your students to be. You click on it. Now, everybody sees this thing. You can drag it to the side, move it up and down. You can zoom out a bit if you need a wider view, or zoom in if you need to. If you're trying to teach one specific thing, or you're playing one specific game and your student is distracted by everything that else is around them, this tool is incredibly helpful. It's wonderful. And then if you want to free them, you can return to free roaming. And now Katie is back wherever it was that she was before. Oh, I see her little name right there. There she is. And here she comes. Customizing your avatar. So right now I am dressed in all black, and I'm a little bit tanner in that avatar skin than I normally am. So I'm going to go to customizing my avatar. And at this point, you can change your skin tone. You can change your cheeks, lips, eye color. If you're someone who wears glasses, you can add glasses, and you can change your hair. Then you can change the shirt that you're wearing, the pants as well. You might want to wear a skirt. Then for your shoes, you can either choose sneakers or you can choose boots. So some kids really get into the avatar, but that's a lot of fun as well. To show you where you can adjust permissions for the students. It's right on top of their head. So when you go in the playground, you can choose all sorts of different permissions for the student to have or not have.